Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. After a long time, I thought of doing a very useful video for you. Today I am going to show you how to use the Let's Brainstorm feature in the inspiration section of the YouTube. If you are a content creator looking for a fresh ideas, this tool is a game changer. Let's dive in. So, what is Let's Brainstorm? It's a tool within YouTube's inspiration section that helps you generate content ideas based on trending topics and audience interests. You can discover what's working for others and find creative angles to make your next viral video. To access it, head to your YouTube studio, click Inspirations, and then select Content. Then in your right hand side, you will find Let's Brainstorm section. Here YouTube suggests video ideas based on trending topics in your niche. In this box, you can now type some ideas about how your YouTube video should be and what contents it should carry. Now I am going to get some help from ChatGPT. I am going to ask ChatGPT like this. Give me some ideas about home safety. Again, I asked ChatGPT to give it in paragraph format and limit it to 475 characters. Now ChatGPT has given me some ideas and I'm going to copy them to YouTube's Let's Brainstorm section. Remember, your idea paragraph should be limited to 500 characters. Now press Create Ideas. After few seconds, it gives marvelous ideas about how your YouTube video should be, along with thumbnail pictures. See how easy it to create a YouTube video with the help of YouTube Studio. The best thing is that it provides many ideas based on your request, allowing you to select what best suits your requirements for a trending video. At the same time, it gives many video ideas along with SEO friendly titles, thumbnails and many more. Now let's move on to another example. This time I am going to share my own idea to create a YouTube video. I need idea about how to remove integrated circuit. from a motherboard. Let's see how it looks like. Here are the results of it. IC removal technique, a deep dive. IC removal beginners, step-by-step guide. IC removal using specialized tools. Do it to your own IC removal. Is it worth the risk? 5. It gives outline with SEO friendly titles like this and beautiful thumbnails. 5. You can choose one of this thumbnail and topic and do a very interesting video. So friends, use this valuable tool regularly to stay ahead of trends. You can also mix ideas with your own twist to keep contents fresh and relevant. This feature is perfect if you ever feel stuck or want to stay competitive on YouTube. And that's how you use Let's Brainstorm in YouTube inspiration section. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and let me know in the comment section what you think of this feature. Until next time, happy creating.